Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best solution for maintaining a clean and comfortable chicken coop, the nest box pads from Pecking order. If you're a chicken owner, you know how important it is to provide a clean, dry, and safe nesting environment for your hens, and these nest box pads are designed specifically to make that task easier and more efficient. These nest pads measure 13 by 13 inches, making them a perfect fit for most standard chicken nesting boxes. What sets them apart is the material they're made from, sustainably sourced Aspen Excelsior wood fibers, which come with a craft paper backing. This combination is not just eco-friendly but functional. The Aspen Excelsior fibers allow droppings and moisture to settle below the surface, keeping your hens and their eggs cleaner and drier. This also means that the eggs rest on top of the pad instead of getting buried under straw or pine shavings, which makes collecting eggs faster and less messy. The pads are hand-packed and carefully inspected to ensure consistent thickness and quality. This attention to detail means that when you place a pad inside your nesting box, it provides a cushioned and comfortable surface for your hens to lay their eggs. And because the pads are designed to be easily replaced, cleaning your co-op becomes much simpler. You just remove the used pad and slide in a fresh one, which is much quicker than cleaning out loose bedding materials. Another key benefit is the breathability these pads offer. The structure of the Excelsior fibers allows air to circulate inside the nesting box, which helps keep the area dry and reduces odors. This airflow also contributes to a healthier environment for your chickens by minimizing dampness that can lead to bacteria or mold buildup. Made in the USA, these nest box pads come in a pack of 10 and weigh just under 6 pounds in total. They're durable yet flexible enough to be scrunched or pulled to perfectly fit your nesting boxes, making them very versatile for various co-op designs. If you've been using traditional bedding materials like straw or pine shavings, these nest pads offer a cleaner and more hygienic alternative that simplifies maintenance. They're especially useful for chicken keepers who want to save time on cleaning without compromising the comfort and health of their hens. In summary, the Pecking order nest box pads provide a sustainable, practical, and easy-to-use solution for keeping your chicken coop clean and your hens happy. Whether you have a few backyard hens or a larger flock, these pads are a great investment to improve your egg collection process and overall co-op hygiene. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.